Wednesday, Thursday, while him there in Jamaica. And him go up back to Florida. Him go one party with Connie Clary there. And him go see the youth. We owe him the money. Sinner. Yeah, man. World Dawg and about 1,000 ex-gang friend them, one bag of man. Like always. Step to Sinner. I defend him 2005. But we still don't understand. They themselves rich. So 2005 about 300,000 Jamaican dollar. At least. He would go on with the money. If you want the money so bad, you could have go to the police and make the man pay your money. But instead of threatening one life, half of him gunshot in the face and dating in a state like Florida, where everybody have gun. I'm gonna get the logic there. And moreover, for sure, say, them are not bad man, them just loud mouth and ugly. And I try to scare people and intimidate people. If you are seen a friend or turn enemy, how the fuck you threaten the man when you know where you live? How you ever threaten a man when you left your family back in America, there Jamaica, threaten the man for shoot him when you come back? And your family in arms where the man them know where you live. And them little man that the pan TikTok enable for going like bad man. You know, I cost me for something my mother, I die with them. With them this and drag to the dirt. I tell me for something my mother. You know, hilarious as fuck. For sure, say, you know, World Dawg, a idiot. Big, loud mouth, dunce, idiot. The man them, where he say, I'm enemy with my body up now. Who was him friends? Them know him live. Or if you make war with your friend, them will turn enemy, the worst war if you create. Them know where you live. Them know where you sleep. Them know where you party. Them know where you can buy food. Easy target. Stupid move. So anyway, back to the party. After World Dawg, them go bad up sin on them. And the promoter have to come quell the tension in them party. The youth them go out the door. And when World Dawg left the party, be a can. Remember, World Dawg approached him with about 100 man. You see, when Khan start beat, every man turn Usain Bolt on Facebook here. Everybody run gone. 100 man them disappear like magician trick. And only Joe stand the ground with him. And that's how Joe lose his life. So now me giving you the fact. World Dawg caused Joe for dead. First, him threatening the man them sinner and butter. So when he come back after him, he got kill them. And when he go back up, he go see the youth in the party. He go approach the youth, be about this. You them show him what time it is. Gunshot in them ass. Call then, I got shot. Ball, you fuck. And a couple days ago, him did bad. You see? Uno people, we support them. Uno no fans. Uno enablers. Uno help push this man if you go on like him wicked all the while on the internet. These people, threaten people. After people, be a gunshot. But no gunshot reach him. Call police and a ball. I got shot. Yeah, I got shot. My friend dead. Ball, you fuck. The same man load up and I go on the wickedest with you. And them man that will not enable every day upon TikTok. And them man that will not want to the youth them to come watch. And come emulate and follow. If you compose like bad man and them are a bad man. And the worst case of that everything we're do. You see how everything come out now? Squash good. You almost make same one World Dawg ex-gang fool people and fans and enablers. You almost make police could take up squash out of in place. Because Butter, the friend Butter, did say World Dawg last squash gun. Last squash one kill him. But the one I cost me about.
Alright, so first of all, let me shoot our disclaimer like this. Our disclaimer says that we are not the person that you heard in that video. The person that you heard in that video is a video that is going around of an individual who claims to be from that area and was at the event when the altercation took place. Now, it is widely known that World Dog did get into an altercation with an individual at a party or a event before the shooting took place, shortly before. A lot of people who were not there, including myself, here the host of SouFLoTV, was not there. So, of course, naturally we're wondering, well, who did he get into the altercation with? This individual claims that he was there, so he saw who he got into the altercation with. And the same name continues to come up over and over and over again. We've heard the video voice note of World Dog sending threats to a specific individual about his money, where he spoke about the person's raggedy Mercedes Benz and how it sounded like a firecracker. Every time him open the door, it just a pop, 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 all mash up Benz, and called the guy a broke scammer and told him that he would take an airplane and he would come back to Florida and he would shoot him in his face. That is a serious threat. Matter of fact, if you check within the law, that threat is so serious that the individual who retaliated, if that individual retaliated based on that threat, that individual could actually use that in a court of law in defense, as in the individual who told me he was going to shoot me in my face actually approached me in a manner in which I thought that is what he was about to do. Now, you might not think it holds a lot of weight, but it does, and it would hold a lot of weight in an actual court of law. Everything that this individual said on this video pertaining to World Dog is his views of World Dog. All we are doing is trying to get everybody else to understand and ourselves to understand what took place. Some of us were fans of World Dog. Some of us moved on. Some of us followed him from he was Facebook hero until he was hero, until he became World Dog. From he was on Facebook to Instagram, then he tried YouTube, and then he has his Vivo with his music, and then things got up and popping on TikTok apparently for him. So, you know, we've studied the journey of the individual, and it is our Jamaican brother, and we have always wished our Jamaican brothers well and sisters well in this social media space, whatever platform they may be on. So our only stance here is to try to put some kind of clarity to what actually took place. Rest in peace, Joe, because Joe lost his life. And according to the individual in the video, Joe lost his life because out of the 100 man that was with World Dog, Joe was the only one that stuck with him when the shit hit the fan. Here is my saying, and we had a complete video on this the other morning on live, and I'm going to say it again. I learned my hard lesson in the United States of America because I came here very young. When I made a threat to a Yankee youth that I would bust gunshot in him head, the youth put a gun to my head the very next day. I didn't have a gun. I was just talking to scare him, but he actually went and got a gun, and I could have lost my life. So I'm saying that to say this: guns are everywhere. People who are willing to pull the trigger on these guns are everywhere. And it doesn't take a brave heart or some extra muscular person to pull a trigger on a gun. You have to be careful out here how you're moving with your 3 points in these times, day and age, because people will blow away your 3 points and you can't get it back. So don't surround yourself with people who you know that would be their course of action. Don't generate that energy around yourself by sending threats to people and allowing them to have time to build something against you, because that's, in the truth of the matter, this is what it is. Every time you send a threat to somebody, that person now knows that you want to hurt them. And what do we not do naturally when we know that somebody wants to hurt us? We either stay out of their way, or we confront them and we hurt them first before they hurt us. Right? Right. This is why it is dangerous to even send a threat, even if you're joking with the threat and you're saying to yourself, me not really gonna do it still, you know. Me just say it. Don't say it. If you're not gonna do it, don't say it, because we live in that day and age where if you're not gonna do it, don't say it. One thing I'll close this video off by saying is this though. When friends turn enemies, those are the worst kind of enemies you can have. Especially a friend that you used to chill with, build with, knows your business, ins and outs, the roads you travel, the places you chill, the things you do for fun. That friend has you studied. That friend has ammunition they can use on you now as an enemy. When friends turn enemy, things get really dangerous. I see other videos going around, people claiming to know exactly who took Joe's life. I'm not law enforcement, and I'm not doing law enforcement job for them. So me not know nothing about that. I don't know who did what. I'm just like my audience members. I'm listening. I'm have my ears out. I'm paying attention in these internet streets and in these real streets, and I'm sharing what we're finding, and that is about it. We will continue to see and monitor this and watch it as it unfolds, because I'm absolutely sure that more is going to be coming out of this, both more on the law enforcement side and more on the other side, which will be the side of people wanting to settle this beef. However this beef is settled, we will see. Is it going to be bloodshed for bloodshed? Or is it going to be a peace out, peace talk, reconciliation? One thing I know is this. Once blood is shed, there is no going back. Once a life is taken, that cannot be reversed. So, you as well as I know what this outcome might be. Let's see. This is not Jamaica, I know. This is the United States of America. And these law enforcement officials, they act in a different way from the Jamaican authorities act. So I'm absolutely sure that when it comes to law enforcement, as a matter of fact, in this particular case, there's a lot of information already out there that is going to lead law enforcement to something sometime soon. Just pay attention, and I'll bring it to you in due time. On a walk good. Gonna be good. Don't give anybody any ammunition to hurt you. And guard your 3 points with everything you have. That is your life. You only have one blessed life given by the Creator, and there's nothing you can do to replace it once it is snuffed out. You don't want to have your life wasted. Catch you on the next video. Go with God. I'm out. Peace.